our program with Chamberlain up and down. Alright, you hit that black button until this arrow's pointing up and flashing, so we're just trying to get it aligned with the top of the garage, so that looks good. So you press the black button again. Now it's ready to go down. So if you see your bar start bending, it's too much, so you just come up a little bit. Show no light from the bottom. Hit that. Hit the black button again, and now it's going to run through its process up and down.